Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for main board for LG 60PB5600 that you can see here. This is a low-end main board, and several different things tend to happen on it. One common problem is the HDMI port just physically breaks, and you can see we've reinforced the solders here on both sides. Another problem is it just gets zapped by a power surge from the outside, and the TV just stops working, or may work but without the view on the without the HDMI port functioning. As you can see, it is working fine. The sound is off right now. But the board that was sent to us was not powering on at all, so this is all done. When the HDMI gets zapped, the main processor has to be replaced, and this is what happened here, and some other components as well. That is all. Thank you very much, and happy repair.